Neighbors, today we're gonna play Strongest Battleground, and my opinion is to defeat the little boss. This
And me.
these two are the boss, and me are just a level 1 noob.
Hi guys.
Now we're gonna fight. Dali na.
No, why? No,
Hadukik ba? Hey! No, guys. That is how to kill a two boss in Strongest Battleground.